Robinhood Legend is a premium version of the Robinhood app that gives you advanced trading features and extra benefits. With Legend, you get a higher instant deposit limit, meaning you can start trading bigger amounts immediately without waiting for transfers. It also gives you priority customer support, so any issues you face get resolved faster. One of the coolest features is extended trading hours. While regular users can trade during market hours, Robinhood Legend lets you trade before and after the market, giving you more flexibility and a chance to react to news faster. You also get exclusive insights and research, helping you make smarter investment decisions with detailed data and expert analysts. The app is simple to use. Just upgrade to Legend, enjoy the faster deposits, extra hours, and premium tools, then trade stocks, EFTs, options, or crypto all in one place. Robinhood Legend is designed for traders who want more power, speed, and insights, all while keeping the app super easy to use. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.